Welcome to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to avoid being scammed in trading. Alright, first things first, alright? Trading is an area that has yet to be discovered fully by a lot of people. Okay, yes, most people know about it, but it has yet to be discovered fully. And so trading has a very, how can I say, a selected group of individuals, okay? So the individuals who know trading are not that many. But let me tell you guys, if there is something that you should know, in trading, people are out here to get your money in any way possible. And I mean any way possible. All right? So first things first, whenever you find a new mentor, whenever you find a new trainer, please don't follow the trainer, don't follow the mentor based on the balance of their accounts. All right? I'll be telling you why, first of all, okay? And I know most people have been asking me in this channel, why don't you show your balance, or you just show your balance in a few videos, or you only show us your demo account, and so on. I have done that purposefully, all right? Because I want you to trust me and believe me and have faith in me based on the strategies that I'm showing you, not based on the account balance I am portraying to you. Why am I saying this? Because, guys, I'll be making a video about this very soon. There is a way in Deriv in which you can alter your account balance, all right? Not permanently. I'm not saying that. So you can make your account balance look like $30,000. 30,000, but realistically your account has only $10. But you make it look like 30,000. And then you can do some, let's say, okay, let's say you have an account of 30,000, which you have falsified. I'll be showing you how, all right? But it doesn't do anything. You'll just be, okay, so when you're recording the video, the account balance will be showing $30,000 in your real account. But realistically, you have only 100. So for a trader who is watching your video, they'll be like, wow, this is a lot. I want to be like that trader. So what do? They start contacting these traders. When they contact these traders say, pay this and this for a full course, or pay this and this to join our WhatsApp group. The traders end up paying. Once they pay, they end up being given signals. I don't know what and what. At the end of the day, these traders end up with a big loss and a broken heart, because you had faith and trust in that trader, but you have gained nothing. In fact, you have lost your money. So guys, never follow a trader. Never believe a trader based on the balance they are showing you. These things can be falsified. And believe me, I have seen some traders doing it, and it's very bad. All right? So only follow a trader based on the strategy they show you. So go to their videos, try out their strategies. If they work for you, proceed and follow them. If they don't, ask questions pertaining those strategies or change to another trader. But guys, I repeat and repeat again, never follow a trader, follow a trainer, follow a mentor based on their balance. Guys, these guys are smart, and they will manipulate you in any way possible. Another thing to avoid being scammed: free. This thing of a free mentality, I'll make a video about this very soon. Guys, when you're in the trading arena, please remove the free mentality from your mind. That mentality will get you destroyed in so many ways. As I've said, I'll make a video about this so that I reveal more. But please avoid the free mentality, whereby you only look for free classes, free bots, free analysis tools, free this. Guys, if you walk, let's say you walk on the road, all right? And then somebody walks up to you, okay? And they give you a free phone. Will you take it? No. Will you take it? No, you won't, because you'll be suspicious. Why? Why are you giving me a free phone? What is wrong with that phone that you're giving me for free? Or what is it? What is in that phone that you want me to have for free? Why? Okay? So please remove that free mentality. So guys, go and adopt those two things, okay, to avoid, because guys, the scamming rate in trading is increasing at such an enormous rate. And I won't stand here and see fellow traders going through this, because I went through this and it's very, very painful. All right? So guys, be smart, be clever, and know how to deal with these situations. If you have any question pertaining this, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.